Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into another Shona proverb. What does this proverb mean? It means to be focused on achieving your goal even under difficult circumstances. Now I'm going to leave you to listen to a captivating story of perseverance and dedication. This story is all about the importance of staying focused on your target, even when the going gets tough. Let's imagine you're a marathon runner and you're in the middle of a grueling race. The sun is high, the heat is intense, your legs are heavy, and your heart is pounding. But despite all these challenges, you keep pushing forward. After 20 miles, you're at the mile 21 mark, and you can see the finish line within reach. However, after that comes a huge hurdle, a massive hill that seems to go on 4 miles. This hill could be interpreted as life's challenges or obstacles. It's those tough moments when progress seems impossible. It could be a health issue, a work crisis, or even a personal struggle. But remember this: if you can keep your focus on your goal and overcome this hill in your race or life, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So next time you encounter that hill in your life or in your race, remember to keep pressing forward with determination and resilience. Focus on your goals and stay dedicated to them. Believe in yourself and trust that with enough determination and hard work, anything is possible. Thanks for joining me today on this motivational journey. If you liked this story and want more inspiring content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. For more motivational tales and life lessons we're learning from Shona Proverbs. Stay focused out there.